My name is Richie Oshiro, and I'm the marketing manager here at ARK Performance. I've been attending SEMA for about 3 years now, by myself as a spectator, but it's my first year as a vendor. I've been with ARK Performance for about 6 months now, so it's been a good run so far. Mainly I do the social media work. I partner up with my videographer and photographer, and I also do sales at ARK Performance. You know, it's really relaxed and everyone feels like family at the company. So even as a new employee, you just kind of feel like you're part of the team from the get-go. A little bit about the history of ARK Performance. We've been in business for close to 2 decades now. And we started with mainly producing exhaust systems, but now we manufacture different parts for different vehicles. The company started in South Korea and then it branched out to Southern California, which we're based at right now. So we have a huge manufacturing plant in South Korea, and we have most of our R&D is done between South Korea and Southern California. We do service international clients. We actually have dealers all over the world, mainly Canada, Mexico, South America, Asia, and Japan. Big thing we introduced this year was new products. We always try to keep it fresh every year, and another goal for ARK Performance was introducing our concept race car vehicle, so that was huge for us this year. So a big goal for us and this year is to develop more of our lineup for the Infinity Qs, like the Q50 and the Q60, and diving more into the USDM market, so like the Mustang, the Camaro line, the Corvettes. So here at ARK Performance, we not only do exhaust systems, but we also do a lot of suspension work. And what you're looking right here is we're having a concept design of our brand new two-way adjustable coilover system, DTP, with external reservoirs as well. These are fully adjustable two-way, so you can adjust the camber and the toe, and also the height and the stiffness as well. So our DTP coilover system is definitely available for multiple applications. Right now we're considering starting off with the JDM and KDM market, and then moving on to USDM. We're really into suspension here at ARK Performance, and I can't wait for you guys to try it out. So here we have the brand new BTS exhaust system for the Kia Stinger. It's for the 3.3 liter engine, and it will be available early next year. We were fortunate enough to work with Kia directly and have this R&D at our facility in Ontario, California. It's made with stainless steel 304, and you can see we have our custom signature handhold design system, specifically designed to reduce the drone in your cabin. So here we have our grip system for the 2015 Plus Mustang. You can tell in this new system we've chosen a brown ceramic coating, but we'll eventually be choosing a different color for the final product. But the ceramic coating will help insulate the heat and produce better sounds. It also comes with our signature handhold design system, proven to reduce the drone significantly in your cabin. We also manufacture wheels. So here on my right side, you can tell that we have the monoforged multi-piece wheels that come in any offset, any size, any color really that you want. So we customize them to the customer's needs. And on my left-hand side here, we have our cast wheels that come in a wide selection of sizes as well. These are one piece. My favorite ARK Performance products, not only as manufacture of them, but as a personal use, it's got to be the grip exhaust system for the IS350. By far, best sounding exhaust out there, best quality, hands down to ARK for producing such a good product. Very exciting news this year from ARK Performance. We probably have about close to 2 decades worth of R&D, whether it be from exhaust to suspension to wheels, drivetrain, and we've done something really special this year. We put it all together in our one-off from the chassis up, our brand new vehicle called the ARK Danza. This vehicle is, like I said, it's a one-off. So when you look at the body panels, we have no moldings for these. It's completely custom made for us. So the ARK Danza is powered. It's a mid-engine vehicle. It's powered by a K-series motor, K20 head with a Craftworks supercharger on E85 with a very moderate boost. We're looking at 450 to the wheel right now, and all that power is transferred to an RSX housing for the tranny, but it has Quaife internals for the sequential gearbox. Another great benefit of manufacturing your own wheels is that you can make any wheel, to any specification. So we made this body in-house by our design team in South Korea, and we had the wheels match the length and the width of the fenders here. And these are our ARK Performance wheels here. My name is Richie from ARK Performance, here at the 2017 SEMA show, and I hope to see everyone next year.